I started working in the ALTCS area about 30 years ago. My grandfather moved to Arizona to be near us. He had a stroke and it was debilitating. He couldn't care for himself anymore. We couldn't care for him. I realized he wasn't going to be able to go back and be independent.
You know, I think the biggest struggle for families right now when they're dealing with a loved one that's in a hospital or rehab center or maybe possibly home, they don't know where to begin.
And they're overwhelmed with what needs to happen next.
The cost of facilities is outrageous. It can range from $3,000 up to $25,000 a month.
A friend told me about a program in Arizona called the Arizona Long-Term Care System.
A lot of professionals will call it ALTCS, which is a long-term care policy that will help pay for care either at home or in a senior community.
I believe the biggest misconception people have is that the ALTCS program is designed for the poorest of people. But in fact, it's a program designed for families like yours and families like mine.
My thoughts go out to anybody who finds themselves in that predicament, the predicament I was in. Your situation can deteriorate so quickly, so rapidly, that you find yourself where you really have to get assistance.
In the past 25 years, we've counseled thousands of families to help them utilize the ALTCS program in Arizona to get long-term care. We've hired social workers that work on our team that act as liaisons between the families and the facilities. We have people that work on the applications. We have people that work on the legal documents.
No one wants to find themselves in this situation. And when you deal with these big agencies, they have their own language, their own bureaucracies. There is a significant burden in applying to the process because they want so much data.
Generally, when families call us, initially you immediately understand that they're overwhelmed with information.
My role is to kind of help them take a step back and explain what their options are.
The first thing I did was I applied for and received home care, and they provided somebody who came out to the house 5 days a week. From the moment my mom was accepted into the program, I've not been out of pocket at all.
The most rewarding part of this job for me is the relief I hear in the voices of the spouse or the children when we tell them, yes, we can take care of this for you. Yes, your loved one will get the care that they need. You're not going to be impoverished over this. It's emotional.